Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we basically gonna do a review of Planet Hollywood. So I checked in here yesterday and I got here at 9. So I wasn't able to check in right then and there because none of the rooms were clean. No biggie. She took down my number and I went and grabbed breakfast at Cafe Hollywood, which is the cafe here, and the food was okay. It was okay. Then I got a text message saying that my room was ready, and I went up to check in. Girl, why she checked me in and she still told me that I wasn't gonna be able to check in until 3. Now mind you, it was only like 10. So she was like, you could come back at 3. And I'm like, nah. So here's the catch, you guys. If y'all want to check in early, you got to pay 50 bucks. I went on ahead and paid the 50 bucks because a long flight, I was ready to get in my room, shower, and go hit up the pool. So that's what I did. The pool, you guys. Let's get into the pool. Can you guys see me? Should I turn this way? I don't know, because I want the lighting to be good. So here's the thing. I feel like y'all can't see me. There we go. So I love their pool. Their pool is lit. They have the flow rider, which is where you could get on like this surfboard and it's these waves. It looks so freaking cool. They also have it to where you can rent cabanas starting at $100 and they go up. They also have it to where there is an adult side, 21 and up. Love that so much. The 21 and up side, you guys, it is so chill. It's laid back, it's relaxed. They play music over there, but most of all, there's no yelling. There ain't no screaming. There ain't no kids crying and spitting and shit in the pool. Y'all know how kids do in the pool, okay? I take my kids to the pool all the time. It wasn't none of that over there. It was chill. And then they have another side that's for all ages. You can get drinks and everything. You guys keep in mind, the drinks are expensive. I got a drink that was like this big. It was 20 bucks. Okay, 20. It was good, but it was $20 for something like this. Okay. They have plenty of restaurants here. There is the cafe, which I mentioned, is open pretty late. They have, I saw 2 Starbucks, but I'm pretty sure they have more. They have one on the floor where the lobby is, and then they have one on the casino floor. They have the Cafe Hollywood, which I got chicken and waffles yesterday. It was okay. It wasn't nothing to write home about. You guys, they got a P.F. Chang's here. They have a couple other restaurants here as well. They also have a theater which you can go see shows. Chris Angel Mind Freak is playing here. I really like that show. Chris Angel Mind Freak is really good. But I saw him when he was at another hotel. I can't remember which one. I think it was Caesars. I can't remember. It was 2013, 10 years ago. I'm gonna sit y'all back down because my hand's starting to hurt. Also Miranda Lambert's here and Kelly Clarkson is here as well. Also, let's get into Gordon Ramsay Burger. Y'all, I had Gordon Ramsay fish and chips in the link. That was cool. I got the Hell's Kitchen burger yesterday and it literally almost brought me to tears. I kid you not. That was the best burger I've ever had in my life. Ever had. Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips was just okay, but that burger yesterday, I took that first bite and I was like, damn. It was so good. So you can substitute it. They have beef burgers, but you can substitute a beef burger for a chicken patty or a veggie patty. I substituted it for a chicken patty and oh my gosh, that burger had jalapenos on it. It had avocado. It had like this little sauce. I got that along with some aioli fries. I think they were garlic aioli. No, garlic parmesan fries with aioli sauce. And I got this ranch. Y'all, they had this ranch down there. It is so freaking good. It had these cheese bites or cheese pieces in it. So good. So I highly recommend, if you're here, that you check out Gordon Ramsay Burger. You will not be disappointed. I did have a little bit of a wait before somebody acknowledged that I was even there, but once they did, everything went fast and smooth from there. So checkout is really smooth and easy if you get here in enough time, but keep in mind, y'all, that check-in isn't until 3, and they will not check you in unless you pay that 50 bucks. That's how they get your ass. Checkout is at 11. This hotel is in a very, very good location. I mean, so Paris is right here, and then a couple steps down, y'all got the Link, you got Flamingo, you got Harris, which I stayed at before. Hilton Grand Vacations is here. Let me show y'all. This is my view. You got Hilton Grand Vacations. That's MGM. That's MGM Grand, the Signature. They got 3 towers. I stayed there. I stayed there twice. Then you got Horseshoes over there. The hotel is in a very good location, and what I like about it best of all is if you don't feel like going nowhere or leaving the resort, you don't have to. Let's get into the room, okay? So y'all know that y'all gonna get a thorough and honest review from me, okay? The room, to me, could be cleaned a lot better. Now, when I walked in, it smelled clean, it smelled fresh, but you could tell that they spot cleaned, right? So when I got here, somebody had a cup here before me, and you know how cups leave that little ring. That ring was still here. When I check into a hotel, I get my Lysol spray together and I get Clorox wipes. I wipe everything down, okay? Because that's just what I do. You just never know. Especially, I mean, like, y'all know what just happened 3 years ago. You can't not be too careful. But before all of that happened, I was still doing that, so I had to wipe that down. It's this table right here. Matter of fact, let me just show y'all. I got some of my stuff out though. Here, it was like some food pieces here that I wiped up. I wiped everything down. Some stuff was dusty still. This table right here was dirty. Like, I wiped down everything. I wiped down the chairs. I wiped down the phone. Yeah. But I'm gonna tell y'all why they be only spot cleaning. Like, if you can see in there, it's dusty as hell. Look at that dust. I woke up this morning, y'all. My nose was stuffed. The bathroom could be a little bit cleaner, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Let me show y'all this. So y'all can tell. So I don't think these hotels can use bleach because you never smell bleach. Y'all see that stain right there? That's what I'm talking about, spot cleaning. But it ain't nothing like a little bleach and a scrub brush will take care of. So I have been taking a shower, but with my shoes on, with my sandals. Yes, sir. I wipe this down. It's a little bit of kinks here and there. Like, you see, to turn this on, the whole thing turns. But this one, I mean, I never seen the whole thing turning like that. So I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but they definitely spot clean the rooms, and it's noticeable to me. Cause you know, when I check in, I look for stuff like that. Like, and not to be like petty or anything like that, I just have to make sure, you know, I just gotta make sure that I'm not getting on something dirty. So yeah, I will recommend staying here. I love it. Service is great. Service is good. There's security all on the floor. I had got lost. I will tell y'all, when you come in, you will probably end up getting lost because it is confusing on how to get to the hotel lobby. So to get to the hotel lobby, you actually have to go downstairs. You got to go downstairs, down these escalators. Because I go down to the lobby thinking that I'm at the lobby and I'm not at the lobby. I'm actually on the casino floor. So you gotta take an escalator to get down. I was running late to go see the show. I went to go see Magic Mike, and I'm walking around in these freaking heels, and I'm like, okay. I asked security, and he's like, you just go right there down to the escalator, because you have to go down there to catch the taxis or Uber or Lyft and that kind of thing. So they do have that little area down there which you can catch your Uber, taxi cab. I like the area because it's kind of like closed off. It's not a whole bunch of traffic. It's very convenient. Like, the location is convenient. So convenient. I had to go to the Sahara, and I'm guessing the Sahara is over there in the old Vegas, because Circus was over there, but it was far. Also, if you coming here this year, keep in mind also there is tons of construction going on, so you got to give yourself like extra 30 minutes to get to where you got to go, because you're gonna stop and sit. Because I heard that their Super Bowl is gonna be here next year, and they're gonna build like a racetrack or something on the strip. So they're currently working on that, and that construction, y'all, is all day. Like, when I left from that show last night, it was about 9. They were out in the street working at night. So just keep that in mind. They're doing a lot of construction. The room is very comfy. It's very cozy. I'm trying to think if I'm leaving anything out, because I'm probably gonna leave today. I would stay for another day, but I'm ready to go home. I miss my babies. But yeah, the rooms are kind of thin as well. Keep that in mind. That's what actually woke me up to get me to leave to go to my show. Somebody came in, they came back from somewhere. I guess they was a little tipsy, and they were loud AF, and I could hear everything they were saying. They were extra loud. You can hear toilets flushing, you can hear all that. So y'all got to keep that in mind too. Yeah, but other than that, I would definitely recommend staying at Planet Hollywood. So here's the hotels I stayed at, you guys. I stayed at the MGM. The MGM, it was nice. The only thing, like, when I stayed at the MGM, I felt super far away from everything. I stayed at MGM Grand, the Signature. Now they're like right next to each other. Very nice hotel. They have fully stocked kitchen, stove, microwave, refrigerator. They have all of that at the MGM Signature. Then I stayed at the Riviera, rest in peace. That hotel was very nice. You could play bingo there, everything. It was nice. They had a lot of nice restaurants, but the rooms were very outdated. So there. And then I stayed at Harrah's. Love Harrah's. Harrah's got me spoiled, because when I checked in here, Harrah's has a little space. Like right here, Harrah's has this space with a mirror where you can do your makeup and stuff, and they don't have that here. But what I do like about this hotel is they have a separate tub and a separate shower. I love that. I really, really love that. And I also love that they have a separate door for here if you want to use the bathroom. They also have a door. Harrah's did not have a door at their shower, and I was like, what the hell is this? And they also have a door here. I don't think Harrah's had that either, because my friend came to visit me. I had to go to the bathroom, and I'm like, I'm gonna just turn this water on, so y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I feel like this might have been a double room, because you know it's so long. I'm not used to seeing it that long. Also, what the heck is up with this guy right here? I was getting undressed, and it looked like he was freaking watching me with his eyes. Y'all ever seen Ghostbusters 2 and the painting of Vigo be watching Sigourney Weaver's character? That. But here's the closet. I love this so much. It's really nice. Very nice space closet. They got an ironing board, bam, and they got a safe, bam. My safe, when I had got back last night, would not let me in it.